Indian police have arrested several innocent Kashmiri youth in different areas of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police arrested 10 youth in Nohatta area of Srinagar. The police arrested a youth identified as Ashiq Ahmad Khan from Pulwama district for uploading pictures and videos of two youth recently martyred by the Indian troops during a violent military operation at Gadol in Kokarnak area of the Islamabad district. Another youth was arrested by the Indian troops and the police from a checkpoint in Patan area of the Baramulla district. All party Hurriyat conference leaders have hailed the caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan Anwarul Kakar for highlighting the Kashmir dispute and representing Kashmiri's aspirations in his address to the United Nations General Assembly. Pakistan caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Kakar has said that he has projected Pakistan's perspective on a range of regional and world issues including the Kashmir dispute. Court in the Indian state of Gujarat has acquitted two innocent clerics from occupied Kashmir detained in a 2006 false case. According to Kashmir Media Service, two clerics, Bilal Ahmed and Sayyid Zabiullah, both from the Baramulla district, were accused of spreading terrorism by receiving training to carry out terrorist attacks in Gujarat. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has said that Canada shared with India evidence of credible allegations about the involvement of Indian agents in the killing of the Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar many weeks ago and wants New Delhi to commit constructively with Ottawa to establish the facts on this serious matter. Special Assistant to the Pakistan caretaker Prime Minister on Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has said that Canada has exposed the ugly face of extremist India targeting the Sikh community across the world. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mishal Hussain Malik said this in her visit to Nankana Sahib. Speakers at a seminar while denouncing ruthless suppression of dissent in occupied Kashmir by India have termed it the biggest threat Kashmiris have ever faced. According to Kashmir Media Service, the seminar held on the sidelines of the 54th session of the UN Human Rights Council in Geneva was addressed by the permanent representative to the World Muslim Congress to the UN in Geneva, Altaf Hussain Wani.